Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert an image in Microsoft Word document, and promise you that's gonna be a very easy and simple tutorial. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So first, let's see, we wanna type here something like blah blah blah, and we wanna put some image, right? So here in the menu of the Microsoft Word, we have home, we have developer and design, and just click on insert. From here you can insert pictures, online pictures, shapes, smart art, charts and others. We want to insert the pictures, right? Just click on pictures, and from here just choose one pic that you want to add to your Microsoft document. And as you can see, I added an image in my Microsoft Word document. So yeah, I told you it's easy and it's easy and simple. So that was it. If I helped you out, make sure you give it a like, and also you can change the also the location of that image, the size of that image and others. So yep, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure you give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, see you next video. Bye.